What up, peeps? Recluse here. So, I kind of got to thinking, streaming's not going to be feasible with this new project that I'm undergoing, with the studio and everything. So, I kind of thought maybe I should do videos. And I can do short little videos here and there, kind of like this one right here, kind of showing you, what's going on, what's been done, and kind of take you guys along with me. I was thinking also that, once we start to do more of the teardown and rebuild, I'll get longer video on that as well. So you guys can kind of see what's going on. So as you're aware, we bought a new house and we were under the assumption that everything was good. The inspector said everything was good, right? Well, come to find out, after substantial downpours, things aren't so good. As you can kind of see, we've got cracks in the foundation, and that's no bueno. That means rain. That means water coming into the basement. That means mold. So anywho, basically what this boils down to is Recluse has to get on his hands and knees with a wire brush. We've got to scrub out all these cracks so we can see how big they are, so I can get them filled in. And then basically got to wait for it to rain again so I can test and make sure that the cracks are good. So once that's all done, all the stuff that you see right now in the basement has got to go. That's right, every little bit of it. Because I'm going to have a company come in and professionally epoxy the whole damn floor. And I have a feeling that that's going to take a lot of work. But it's also really crazy, awesome, and amazing because that means Rec is getting a new studio. I'm getting a new studio. I have to build a new studio, but it's going to be spectacular, peeps. So that's going to be it. Hey, check out the amount of crap I've done so far. I'll see you later.